Hi guys and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's episode we're going to take a look at Dohrnii, which is a financial empowerment platform. Basically that's going to teach you to learn everything you need to know about crypto finance in order to improve your wealth. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research first. Without further ado then, let's jump into today's episode. Coming over to the website then, which is linked down below in the description as always, so make sure you go and check it out after the video. The first thing that strikes me is what a modern website it is, which is quite kind of unusual perhaps in the finance game, and actually something that is really cool within the kind of financial learning game. Everything here is about achieving financial freedom by learning different strategies, investing into crypto and other things as well. Now obviously if you've been involved in crypto for a while, you'll understand that crypto is going up overall in value because more and more people are arriving into crypto from various places around the world, but still loads and loads of people don't have access to crypto. So platforms like this enable more and more people to get involved in crypto, which ultimately is good for the whole crypto industry because it brings more money into the game. As many people have thought in the past, crypto was perhaps just a bit of a fad, but right now it's obvious that crypto is here to stay. So people need to go out there and learn more and more about crypto. And this is definitely an area that if you don't know about crypto, guys, that you can go and check out. So make sure you go and check it out because everything is going digital. The world is going digital and crypto is taking hold of the world by bit. So everything, in my opinion, is going to run in crypto. And if you don't know anything about crypto, you're going to get left behind. Clicking on the Academy then, guys, you can see it's all about learn and earn in crypto. Free crypto education, gamified learning, challenge your friends, win crypto rewards. Obviously, crypto is kind of like a modern industry, and this is a very modern take on perhaps some styles of education. It's cool to see that there's kind of like free education available as well as other things. Our Academy defies the educational norm by gamifying the learning process. Our fun and engaging multi-level approach delivers the adrenaline rush to learn more about crypto and investing. Offering a learn-to-earn model that reward users as they successfully complete tests and challenges. Many problems with courses online because we've got like so much on offer all the time, guys. Phones, internet, etc. Our attention span is significantly decreased. It's very difficult for people to kind of concentrate on one thing for a lot of time anymore. So actually having to come up with clever ways to kind of reward people for staying through a platform is something that's really interesting about this website. Definitely something I've not seen much of before. And again, if you're interested in crypto and stuff or wanting to learn more about crypto, perhaps this is a really fun and interesting way of doing it. All the lessons are created by professional lecturers from universities, etc. A lot of different stuff such as key crypto topics, economics, cryptography, blockchains, NFTs and DeFi, all of the kind of like modern stuff that's coming in right now, as well as I'm sure lots of things to do with psychology, which is super important when it comes to being successful at trading. And all you need to do to get involved with it, guys, is just come over and you click on test the app. You can go and download the app from the Apple Store now. All you need to do to get the app, guys, is just come over to the website. Soon going to be released on the Apple Store, in the future also on the Play Store. There's more information available here for beta testers and as well about it on the blog. Now the marketplace is a really interesting concept and it probably isn't what you think it would be given the name of it, but you know, in terms of like trading, crypto, etc., there's loads and loads of information on YouTube, but it can be sometimes difficult to find well-structured content as well as that good quality content over and over again. A lot of the time when you're buying courses, etc., all of that material can be found on YouTube, but perhaps knowing where to structure it, knowing what you're going to miss, knowing what's important, etc., is what you're really paying money for. What's good about the marketplace is it allows individuals to share data across the platform, whether that be like educational data, whether that be tips and tricks, etc. It allows creators as well to monetize their content. So if you think perhaps kind of like a Udemy, etc., might be another way for creators to put their content online. And because it's like specifically for crypto, etc., it's going to be a really good area for people to arrive on. What's cool as well is the marketplace supports things like whale wallets, smart money, on-chain analysis, technical analysis, community insights and more. If you've been involved in the NFT game, there are various sort of types of tools like ic.tools, etc., which do offer free versions, but they're kind of like the smarter deep chain analysis stuff is super expensive. So perhaps this website is going to be a better place to come to be able to find on-chain analysis at a good value. So it's not just for existing content creators, perhaps like myself, guys. If you know a little bit about crypto or you know lots about crypto, NFTs or whatever, this is perhaps your chance to put that information together, create your own content, and you can then monetize your content selling it through a platform like this, which is a really cool way of generating passive income. Obviously you have to do the work up front creating the content, but once it's up there, guys, it's up there forever and you can just make passive income over and over again while you're sleeping. There's also going to be a non-custodial wallet as well, where you can keep your DHN tokens, which I'm going to explain a little bit more about what those are in a moment. And basically that ties into the whole ecosystem. And it's all about, guys, basically learning about crypto, gaining an investing edge, participating in quiz challenges to win crypto rewards, obviously, so that you're learning. It's also fun, and you can be able to potentially make some rewards, etc., keeping you highly engaged in the platform. Access to high quality data, strategies on the marketplace, people sharing this information amongst themselves, etc. You as well contributing to that. And then after you've kind of learned all this great information, you can then become a creator yourself, and you can sell your content through the marketplace. So all in all, guys, it's going to take you potentially from a complete newbie to being able to then go and teach other people about that, which sounds really cool in my opinion. And everything is all about your journey to financial freedom, guys. I mean, you've probably heard lots of people talking about this on Instagram and YouTube, and it might just seem like a pipe dream, but believe me, it's possible. You can go and learn about crypto, you can go and teach other people, you can trade crypto, etc. Crypto is probably the best opportunity there's been in a very long time to be able to gain financial freedom and to be able to go and earn your own money on your own terms and live the life that you want, guys. And this is probably a great place to go and get started. What's key here is they want to democratize access to crypto and financial education while making it available for free to anyone anywhere in the world. Obviously, no matter what country you're in, education or higher education can be very expensive, but lots of information is available here. So for people who perhaps are unable to go to or don't want to go to college or university to learn more about things like crypto, can go to a platform like this and learn as much as they want to on their own terms for free, effectively. Coming down below, guys, it's really cool to see a really multinational team. You got the founder, Dadvan Yusuf, who's from Switzerland. It's also got lots of information about them as well as their Instagram, so you can come down and check a little bit about them. Yeah, they've obviously got these kind of octopus pictures, but these are all real people, guys. You can go and find out about who they are and see their pictures, etc., to understand that this is a legitimate platform. What's really nice is, yeah, you got people from Switzerland, the UK, I think that was Armenia, Nigeria, Spain, the US, etc. Really cool to see all these different people working together, and that's probably a really cool thing about crypto, is that it is bringing people from different countries, different backgrounds together, which is really nice to see. We've also got sort of various advisors who have come from already well-established platforms. By clicking through to the Academy section, guys, going down to test the app, which we talked about earlier, you can see that it gives you a little indication of what it's going to be like. Obviously, this is not on an iPhone right now, but it will be in the future. And you can see here, we can just click on Continue Lesson. And it's going to show me a really nice step-by-step structure. I talked about earlier the importance of running through step-by-step in courses, etc. And this is really cool. Clicking on this, proof of work, it's then going to tell me a little bit about all of this. Keywords, etc., timelines, everything I need to do, and then it's going to say start questions. Obviously, as you go through, guys, you can just click to work out what your answers are. Obviously, this is a really good way as well of learning. If you don't know the answer, like clearly I don't know the answer of this, then actually you learn by making that mistake, going back and relearning it. You can also take notes of the ones you don't know, etc. This is a really cool interactive way of learning, really nice, very modern looking, very clean. I'm sure it's going to do particularly well. As well, guys, obviously you may not know anything about crypto before you do this, and loads of people don't know much about crypto, and actually you can go in and just by kind of like doing the reading that we talked about earlier, there's loads of different ways. As you can see, guys, there's loads of different modules that are going to take you into various different areas, and what's really cool is looking down at the bottom of this, Chapter 1, Quizzes, Rewards, 50 DHN tokens, and unlocked jelly. Not really sure what jelly is, but it sounds kind of cool and interesting. And so yeah, doing all of these different things, it makes you want to continue when you're getting rewards in points, not only in points, but in rewards in money. That sounds really, really nice to me. Lessons, more questions. Okay, so various different features. Obviously, this is just a test right now. There's going to be way more once it actually gets launched on either the Apple Store or the Play Store, depending on what phones you are using. Coming over to the blog section then, guys, there's loads of other information you can come and read about all of this stuff, and the more I read, the more interesting it all becomes. The whole idea is to basically create a decentralized version of Glassnode. If you don't know what Glassnode is, it's basically a centralized analysis tool for the cryptocurrency that's used quite regularly on various Bitcoin analysis videos, etc. This will allow for individual users to be able to create their content like you see perhaps sometimes on TradingView, etc. But also they'll then be rewarded for bringing people to the platform, sharing their content, etc. like we talked about earlier. How it works basically, guys, is they say if you think of it like an NFT marketplace. In an NFT marketplace like OpenSea, for example, the platform allows users to come in with a JPEG and use the tools on the platform to mint their NFT and then distribute them to people that want to consume that NFT. Similarly, the people and strategies will come to the Dohrnii Marketplace and use the tools to put their content on the smart contract and deploy it so that users can unlock it. Content then can sort of be shared and looked after in the similar way to how NFTs work. Each of the creators will then have sort of various amounts of content that they're creating. They'll be sort of rewarded for that. The reviews and the ratings of their content, description of the contents and so forth. Kind of similar to how it works on YouTube. Obviously, depending on reviews, comments, likes, etc., viewers might come to YouTube, might show that content to more and more people. Also, depending on the particular topic that that YouTuber is talking about at the time and search volume, etc. As well as that, having the DHN token allows for users to distribute tokens among themselves, not paying through to a centralized platform and then have that money redistributed, but all looked after through this one main platform, which is a really cool and modern way of doing things. By building this platform, the DHN token will obviously become used more, and when that gets used more, there's an opportunity for that value or that coin to go up. This will then provide more of a healthy ecosystem for all of those involved, not just the creators who are making more and more money through DHN and therefore delivering better and better content, but also through the people using the content and gaining more and more knowledge that way. So a whole ecosystem kind of helping each other out, which is really nice to see. It's going to be one of the first platforms that's actually used for monetizing this type of content. Other people in the past have been using Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, etc. to try and push people towards courses, but actually people are not necessarily looking to pay money while they're using those platforms, whereas this is a specialized, targeted platform where people will be looking to go there to buy something or have buyer's intent, which is obviously perfect for the content creators. The coin itself is going to be launching in just 10 days, and you can find it over on Bitmart if you want to go and purchase it. You can see it's on various blockchains: VeChain, Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chain, with all of the contract details here. There's going to be a total supply of 332 million DHN tokens, and as I've already mentioned, the token plays a really important part in the whole ecosystem. So if you think that this is a really cool, exciting project with great opportunity, then maybe investing in this coin could well be a smart move. By clicking on the DHN token, guys, you can come down and find more and more information all about the tokenomics, everything else, the sort of release schedule as well, because not all tokens are going to get released initially, something like 45 million in the initial release, and then over time they're going to kind of add more into the system, basically, which will enable the price to kind of slowly build more effectively than perhaps dumping tokens into the market as one. Coming over to the Twitter, guys, there's more information on the Twitter with some sort of information about giveaways and things like that. So make sure you come over and subscribe and follow them on Twitter, because you may get lucky and you may get opportunities to win giveaways for tokens from the ICO, as well as many other things. The Twitter as well as the website will both be down in the description below, so make sure you go and check that out after this video. Overall, guys, this is one of the strongest projects I have seen for quite some time. The use case of the website, there are absolutely numerous. I think it's an amazing thing. For someone who myself loves crypto, I think that everyone should have the opportunity to go and learn more about crypto, and those who've already done that can then use that opportunity to then sell and make money back from selling information back to communities, etc. So all in all, a really cool and interesting project. Make sure you go and check it out. All information down below in the description. If you got some value out of today's video, then make sure you smash up the like button. It really helps us out more than you know. And if you're new to crypto and you want to learn more about all the different ways that you can have fun making money in the cryptocurrency markets, then make sure you subscribe to Crypto Gems to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.